Hello everyone, this is Navanita. Now we are going to discuss the topic from Human Eye and Colorful World. So that is presbyopia. So we learned in the previous classes about myopia and hypermetropia. Okay, so in this class we are going to learn about presbyopia. So here presbyopia is vision defect when the ability of accommodation of the eye usually decreases with aging. Yes, presbyopia is vision defect when the ability of accommodation of the eye usually decreases with aging. So, for most people, the near point gradually recedes away. So, they find it difficult to see nearby objects clearly and distinctly. Yes? So, here this happens due to gradual weakening of ciliary muscles. Okay, this happens due to gradual weakening of ciliary muscles and diminishing flexibility of the eyelids. So this effect can be seen in aged people only. Sometimes a person may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia with aging. Yes, so the person who suffers from myopia, he cannot see distant objects. Right? So the person who suffers from hypermetropia, he cannot see nearby objects clearly. Sometimes a person may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia with aging. Right? So here, to correct this type of defect of vision, we need bifocal lenses, which are formed using both concave and convex lenses. We know to correct myopia, we'll use biconcave lens, and to correct hypermetropia, we'll use biconvex lens. But here, the person who suffers from myopia and hypermetropia with aging, to correct this type of defect of vision, we need bifocal lenses which are formed using both concave and convex lenses. So here, its upper portion consists of the concave lens and lower portion consists of the convex lens. Okay, here the upper portion consists of the concave lens and lower portion consists of the convex lens. So if you go to an eye hospital to get tested for vision defects, the doctors gives a prescription that contains some information regarding type of lens to be used to correct vision. Yes? So, have you ever observed details in the prescription? You might have heard people saying, my sight is increased or decreased. Yes? So, the people say that my sight is increased or decreased. So, what does it mean? So, here, usually doctors, after testing for defects of vision, prescribe corrective lenses indicating their power, which determines the type of lenses to be used and its focal length. So, what do you mean by power of lens? So, here the power of lens, that is the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays that can be achieved by a lens, is expressed in terms of its power. We know convex lenses and concave lenses. The convex lenses are convex. So, the convex lenses are converging type of lenses, and concave lenses are diverging type of lenses. So here the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays that can be achieved by a lens is expressed in terms of its power. So the reciprocal of focal length is called power of lens. Okay, here F be the focal length of lens. So power of lens P equals to 1 by F in meters. So we can write here P equals to 100 by F in centimeters. So here the unit of power is dioptre. So it is denoted by the letter D. Here one example given. Doctor advised to use 2D lens. What is its focal length? So here given that power of lens P equals to 2D. Yes, here doctor advised to use 2D lens. So here given that power of lens equals to 2D. So using P equals to 100 by F in centimeters. So we can write here 2 equals to 100 by F. Right? So here we can write F equals to 100 by 2. So we'll get here 50 centimeters. So here the lens has focal length 50 centimeters. So what is its focal length means here? 50 centimeters.